Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add borders in Google Sheet. So as you can see here, I have my data on Google Sheet, but it doesn't have border. And then if you want to edit it, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So first, block the range or the table that you want to add the border, and then you just can go or click the border button here. Just click on this and then choose the desired border. For example, you want to just the outer border, just click on this. But if you want to have whole border, just click all borders here, like so. And you can also change the border style like this, and also the border color. So if you want to change the color, just click on this, just like so. It's so easy, right? Okay, so I think that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.